here inside the Takoradi Mall where the YFM area code jam is still on. Everywhere is on fire. We are so much excited. And I have this handsome gentleman here. He really looks so cool. I hope he really is cool.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm very cool. Actually, the slogan is coolest.
Coolest.
Yeah. Makan, that coolest guy.
Okay, I know you already performed.
Sure.
How was it? How was the energy? How was the reception?
Okay, YFM area code. Like it's been years that we've been missing such show, and think bringing back this year is very much great. And I think they are doing great. YFM people are there very doing great.
Oh, okay. So is that the reason why you decided to come on board, be a part of it?
Actually, I was part of the artists that called on board, so that's why I'm here.
So how was it like? Were the audience active?
Okay. This is my hometown, Takoradi. So it's quite cool. I don't like, not everybody know me though, but it's cool. It was cool.
So let's shift from this side to your music career. We are getting to the end of 2019. How has the journey been from January till September? How has it been? Has there been so much improvement? Are you going bigger or better, or you think it's still there?
Okay. Like the brand keep growing. But within this year, like we had a nomination, and then also I have a couple of songs out there. Also, I also have an EP, which I dropped last month. And and also I'm about to release a music video for my song Aladdin. So
when was Aladdin released?
Okay, the audio was released last week. So
just last week. So it's just fresh, so fresh.
Just fresh.
Freshest in town.
Real fancy house, man.
So let's talk about Aladdin. What does it mean?
Okay. Aladdin is a name from my favorite movie called Detector.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You've heard it before?
I think I've come across it before.
Yeah. That's how come. Like the guy is so cool. To the extent that I just love him.
So that is why you look so cool too.
Yeah. That's why.
All right then. So your final words to your fans.
Okay. I want to say they should keep supporting Makan, and I appreciate them for everything they've done, and also Ideas TV for bringing me on. Charlie.
All right.
Big, man.
Yeah. Thanks for your time.
Okay. My fan to Blair watching this. It's your boy Makan, and you're watching Ideas TV GH. Coolest.